How to get 1,000 subscribers is not a difficult thing. It's a very easy thing. It's the most simplest thing that you can do, that you will get 1,000 subscribers. So in today's video, we are going to be doing it live. Yes, I tell you, I'm your number one coach. I don't do cho. I don't do something that I am not sure about. See, for disclaimer purpose, this thing will give you subscribers, but those subscribers may not love the content you are creating later, because what you want to do is different from what you are doing right now. Who know, understand. If you don't know, forget about it. So in today's video, I'm going live. I'll be showing you two ways to get your 1,000 subscribers through short. Now short won't take run now, but I'll be telling you two ways to go about it. You will see the magic. And the thing I'm going to be using, I wish I have my other phone here with me. In that channel, I have just one subscriber, because I'm using that channel to run test run and all that. So one subscriber, you will see it. I will even munch it when I'm editing and putting it here. You want to get 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours or in less than 48 hours or whichever, but I just want to tell you that in that place you can get subscribers ASAP if you do this thing. So now you know which one you want. If you want to go the short route, follow me. If you want to remain the organic way, oh yeah, go back. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Deborah, your number one coach. Vibe with Deborah, YouTube growth with Deborah. I know they do cho. I dey tell you, I dey give you doings, I dey show you workings. So if this is what you want to be seeing often, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when I drop my video next. Ungwano, let's go to my studio so you will see the magic for yourself. Like I said in my video, this is what we are going to do. And before you can do this, I'm going to do it in two ways. I'm going live. We're going to go live together. So, and I'm going to show you the results tomorrow. Like I showed in my video, that this is what I have, one subscriber. You are going to see it. So now I'm going to test it and tell you how to gain subscriber fastly. You want to get your 1,000 subscribers in less than 2 days or more. So let's just go into our YouTube. So this is the YouTube. Now you go to press this and be in this place. But now what we are going to do now, we use two ways. We're going to use this method. You press the add sound and it will bring you here. Then this is what they call, is you Roblox or something, is common with children. Just press it. This is the first method. Then you look at all this here. Let's do he save his brother. Let's do 18 seconds here.
Wait a second! What if we hide as a DJ? Wait!
Then you're going to put it like, you can do it like this, or anyhow you want to do it, just for people to watch you on your channel. So you can just do like this, so you listen.
Wait a second! What if we hide as a DJ? Wait! We're winning!
There's a DJ?
Someone else just taunted! Let's go! Oh, no, don't come up here!
Can you play Baby Shark?
Wait a sec!
So now that you have done that, just come here and put this funny whatever, your hashtag, YouTube shorts and short. Just put your hashtag and short. That is it. Then you go public. So we are going, let's just find a thumbnail, funny thumbnail that we can use. So okay, let me use this one and let's press enter to go. Then let's upload it. Like I said though, we have one subscriber, just one subscriber. So we are going to now come back to check it. Then I can now upload the video when I'm doing a tutorial to upload it, but we are going live like directly like that. So or maybe next time I'll just show you that, or anyhow it is, I'll just let you guys know we have done this. So it's loading. The other one you are going to do now, you're going to go to this short here.
I knew you were hiding something!
You're going to go to this short and check, like you see this, a lot of people have used this one that is here. I will separate 11K. See, this person now has this. You can now click on this place if you want to collab with this person. So now, or I use the sound, but for us to get more subscribers, because this is already doing well, I'm giving you an example, you can check, but always check at this side here where after share, the next one that has a plus sign. If you see a lot of people using it, you see some server. So when you see that plus sign, you check like the way I'm checking for all this other video. You see they are having low numbers, so they are not very effective like that. You may not actually get good subscribers or good views because it's not trending. So just take note of that. So I picked this lady because she has a lot of views and this sound is trending. That's why I want to pick this sound.
Look at me when I'm talking to you. You've got some nerve to look at me like that. Answer me. Why are you so quiet? I knew you were hiding something. I'm sorry, Dad. How dare you talk back to me? What do you want from me? Gosh.
So now you've seen how we have done it. You're going to do a little work. You can just before you know it, you get your subscribers. For disclaimer purpose, those people subscribing to you may not be interested in your long form, but at the long run you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers. So let's see these two things we have done and let's come back. So after you come to where you have your caption for your short, you keep your hashtag, related hashtag. Then after that you have done that, you go to your thumbnail. You check if it's the thumbnail you want. After you have done that, then you upload it and it will start loading. So after 24 hours we are going to come back and check what we have accumulated. Mind you, our subscriber is 1, so we'll come back after 24 hours to see how many subscribers we have done, and that is when I will merge the video and post it for you to see. So let's go check our results. I'm also eager, just like the way you're also eager to check the results. Okay, so now I think it's 19 hours or 20 hours that I posted that stuff, and I just want to edit because I have a lot of work on my decks. So let's go to our YouTube app. You click on this place, you click on we're going to our page, view your this then we are going to short. Mind you, you have gotten 8 subscribers. We have gotten 8 subscribers and 6 that means we did 2 videos, that's making it 6. The previous one was 1 subscribers and 4. So now this video has gotten 1,300 views, and this other one I did myself has gotten 735 views. Now let's see.
I'm so disappointed.
Let's look at the analytics. It's saying okay, this is your most viewed short. Wow. So now it's telling we have gotten 1,358 views and we have gotten 6 subscribers. Now we have gotten 6 subscribers in this place. Now, like, one thing you should know that this was just a test run. If I want to do it on a normal, I would do like 6 or 7 short videos a day or 9 videos a day, because it's just 10 seconds, 12 seconds. I look for the one that is trendy, that has more views and more engagement. So that is it. But because of tutorial, this I'm just so I've gotten 6 subscribers from 1, and it's even 20 hours. It's not even up to 24 hours. When your video is 24 hours, most times start picking. Imagine if I have gotten 10,000 now, this can go to 30 subscribers. Do you get? So that is just it. So you, when you want to do you can do like 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 videos of that short, because it's 10 seconds. Go to the second one.
Wait a second.
This is the second one. Now we have 3 subscribers. So if you add 6 plus 3, that is 9 subscribers, plus the one we have before, that is 10. So maybe it's still trying to update and it's just giving us 8, because what we saw was 8, but total is 10. 6 from this other first video, 3 from this second one. What you have to do, just take note of the one that has more reach, like thousands of reach, and check the person you want to collab with that has millions of views, thousands of views, and every other thing. So this actually work. Under 20 hours we have gotten 10 subscribers. So peace out.